Okay, good evening, dear students. Very good evening. So, is it audible my voice? Oh.
Yeah.
Olympic concept. First, I'm giving basics, dear students. Right on. Today, the concept is number of devices. How to find number of divisors? Sum of the divisors. Okay, right on. Any doubt is there? Ask me. If n is a composite number, n is a composite number, then every number can be expressed as product of distinct primes, p1 for alpha 1, p2 for alpha 2, p3 for alpha 3, and so on. Here, alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 are what? Are whole numbers. Okay, and p1, p2, p3, and so on are distinct primes. Is the case. Fine. So, how to find number of factors? Number of divisors. What is the symbol C? Okay. No, C.
No, see.
Okay. Number of divisors. What is the formula? Just a minute. Number of divisors is how to write d of n. That is, see carefully, alpha 1 plus 1. What is the power is there? Alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 plus 1, and so on like that. So these are called as number of divisors or number of factors. Okay. So let us see one example. Find number of factors or number of divisors of 18. Solution. What is the procedure? Dear students, 18 means we should express 18 is a composite number. We can express in this format. Product of distinct primes. How to write? See, 9 into 2, 3 square into 2 power 1. Clear? So d number of divisors means d of 18. What is the formula? 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. So number of divisors is how much? 6. You can verify. What are the divisors of 18 here? Anyone? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and itself. Like that. Doubt is there? Ask me immediately. Another example. Sometimes they're asking directly d of 36. D of 36 in the sense number of divisors. What is the answer? 36 means how to write? 9 into 4, 2 square into 3 square. Therefore, number of divisors. What is the formula? 2 plus 1 means 3. 2 plus 1 means 3. So number of divisors is 9. Number of divisors means talking about only powers. Whatever you are getting power, just add 1. 2 means here 2 plus 1. 1 plus 1. Like that here also 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1. That is the case. Right now, I'll give an example.
Okay, sir.
Are you remembering this formula? Anyone?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
No problem. Maybe forgetting. Okay, that's fine. You can go for deeply. What type of questions you can expect? What they are asking. Send the message. After completing, I can proceed. Can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mhm. Now see. Sum of the divisors. That is sigma of n. For example, you are taking 18. What are the divisors? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Dear students, if you are adding, what is the answer is coming? Anyone? Sum of these divisors. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 18. How much? 39. Suppose sometimes they're giving 600, 1000, but at that how to solve? Complicated. That's why we are using formula. What is the formula? As usual, write down n means p1 power alpha 1, p2 power alpha 2, p3 power alpha 3, and so on. Okay. Then sigma of n means what is the meaning here? p1 power alpha 1 plus 1 minus 1 by p1 minus 1 into p2 power alpha 2 plus 1 by this is minus 1 by p2 minus 1 and so on. Let us see, take one example. Find sum of factors or sum of the divisors of 18. What the first step? Anyone? N is equal to 18 is equal to 2 power 1 into 3 square. Express product of distinct primes. Then here directly you can take sigma of 18. That is the question. What is the formula? P1 means 2. 2 power 1 as it is. Just add 1, subtract 1. 2 minus 1 formula. 3 power 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 and so on. But here how many factors are there? Only 2 factors. That's why I'm taking only these two. But actually this one is proof is there. That is using with the help of geometric series, arithmetic progressions. Okay, no? Progression series concept is there, and then we discuss. So 2 power 1 plus 1 how much? 2 square. 2 square is how much? 4 by 1. 3 cube 27 minus 1 by 2. So 3 into 26 by 2. What is the answer? 39. So practice at work. I'm giving some questions. Find
Okay.
sum of divisors of 1, 100, 2, 600, 3, 360, 4, 180. Not only sum of the divisors, we can find a number of divisors also. Okay, find number and sum of the divisors.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. So try to practice these questions. Now, see the cases. Solution of equations of integers. Concept is very easy. See, only logic is required. Okay. Find number of integers. Number of means solutions. Okay, find the number of integers of the equation. X square minus y square is equal to 174. In the sense, find the number of. Okay. So is it audible, dear students?
Yes, sir.
Audible, sir.
Thank you. So find the number of solutions. Okay, see the question carefully. Means for what values of x? X square minus y square is equal to 174. Clear? If you're observing right answer, what is the number? It is the even number. Is it clear? Right answer is how much? 174. It's a even number. That means what your left hand side is also must be what the number? Anyone? It should be even number. All of you.
Sir.
Can you repeat, sir?
What is the question? X square minus y square is equal to 174 means right answer, what is the number is given? Even number.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Left hand side is also must be even number. Why? Because even number is only equal, both it should be even numbers. That means
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
here 4 different cases are arising. What is that? See? Suppose, dear students, x is odd and y is even. Clear? Odd number minus even number. What is the given answer? Anyone? In this case, what? What you are observing? X plus y. Odd number plus even number. What? Anyone?
Odd.
Yes. Both are odd number.
Odd.
One is odd, one is even.
Yeah.
Difference of odd number and even number means gives both are odd.
Okay, sir.
That means x square minus y square is what? Odd number and odd number is what? Odd number gives. Is it clear? This is the odd
Yes, sir.
number. This is odd number. Multiplication of two odd numbers gives odd number. But what about right hand side? Even number. So this case is failed. X is odd, y is even means not possible. Clear? Now
Yes, sir.
see. Suppose x is even, y is odd. Same case also coming in. Here also x plus y, x minus y, both are what? Odd. That is x square minus y square is what? Same thing, no? Odd. Even plus odd number gives
Yes,
odd
sir.
number. Even minus odd number gives odd number. So this case
Odd
also
number.
fails. Yes. In case, for example, dear student, third case, both are odd numbers. X and y are both odd numbers. Now see clearly, x square minus y square means what here? Then x plus y is how much? Sum of two odd numbers gives what? Anyone? Even. Difference of two odd numbers is what?
Yes, sir.
Even. That means are both
Even.
even. Good. That means x square minus y square is multiple of anyone. What is the answer? It is even number. It is the even number. It should be minimum, which is multiple of 4. Can you accept this point? Minimum. This is the even
Yes,
number
sir.
here. This is the even number. But if you are multiplying these two cases, which is should be multiple of 4.
Yes, sir.
But this is also not possible. Why? Because 174 is not divisible by 4. Why? What is the test divisibility rule for 4? For any number, last 2 digit numbers must be divisible by 4.
Sir.
Okay, sir.
So this is also not possible. Now, what is the final case? X and Y are both are even. Both are even. Then what you can say? X plus Y
X plus
X
y and
minus
x
y.
minus y are even.
are both are even. Good. That means here also what do you mean? X square minus Y square must be multiple of
2.
4. This is of 2. This is also multiple of 2. Must be multiple of 4.
Sir, multiples of 4 will be multiples of 2, no, sir.
Huh? Multiples of 2. Okay. That means multiples of 4 is coming minimum. But this one is also not divisible by 4. That means what you are observing here? X square minus Y square never be an odd multiple of 2. It is what here? X square minus Y square is what here? Never odd multiples of 2. That means what is the case? See, you can choose any values of x here. What is the case? What you are observing? X square minus Y square is equal to 174 means what? Does not have any solution. Any integers.
Means it is a wrong equation, sir.
Not wrong equation. There is no solution in this case. That is the meaning. In the integers, there is no solution. For x and y, integers is not
Okay, sir.
possible. That is the meaning. Should verify like this one. Hit and tell method is not possible. Take x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, like that. Right now? Can I proceed? I can share the file, don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see, first see the question. Okay, printed numbers. The pages of a book starting with 1. Okay, and US 3189 digits in all. Okay, so how many pages does the book have? And what do you are understanding this one? Tell me. What do you mean?
Sir, 3189 digits in all or overall?
In all the digits. Suppose you are having book here. First base, how many digits are there? 1. Getting starting
Yes,
from
sir.
1. Second base, how many
Yes.
digits? Only 1.
1.
Third base, 1.
1.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, what here? 9. After that, what here?
10. 2 digits.
2 digits. 2 digits. Up to what? 2 digits. After that,
99.
3
3
digits.
digits.
Up to 999. After that, what here? How many digits?
4 digits.
So we are using 3109 digits we are using. So like that, how many pages are there in the book? So this is what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Getting like that. What is this case? 10. Okay, this is also counting. How many digits are there? 2. This one also
2.
count, we have to count them 2 digits. 2 digits. 2 digits like
Yes,
that.
sir.
How many digits are there? You are using 3189. This is the 4 digits. That means counting. So using these digits, How many pages are there in that book? I will explain, see carefully. Generally, tell me, number of digits. I'm talking about only first digits. Number of digits used for numbering. Anyone? For numbering the pages. 1 to 9. How many? Anyone? What is the meaning? Number of digits used for numbering the pages.
3189
1 to 9.
digits.
How many are there? That is 9 into 1. 9 digits we are using from 1 to 9. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Single digits, how many are there? Only 9. Is it clear or not? Again.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Number of digits used for numbering pages 10 to 99. So in this case, how many digits we are using?
89 digits.
Check it. 10 to 19 means how many are there? 90. Each page having how many digits? 2. So in this case, we are using 180 digits. Check it. 10 to 19, how many digits?
Yes.
How many pages? 90. But each page you are using how many digits? 2 digits. So total how many digits you are using? 180. Okay. Number of digits used for numbering pages. What next? What here? Starting from what? Anyone? 100 to?
100 to 999.
Very good. So in this case, how many digits you are using? Total how many are there? 100 to 999.
900
But each page, how many digits are there?
to 1800.
3.
3.
So
27.
2700. Yeah. Total add them. 2, 9, 8. 7 plus 1, 8. Okay. So after that, next page contains how many digits? Next page contains 4 digits.
4
1000,
digits.
1001, like that, we can now see. But in this case, we cannot use 1000, we can let's see. Fine. Number of digits that remain after using these digits. After using 2889 digits. How many are there? How many digits left for you? Anyone? Total how many digits are there? Anyone? 3189 minus till now you're using 2809.
287.
How much? 0,
200.
0,
300, sir.
300. Yes, thank you. Now, so these 300 digits, you have to count them. How many? 4 digits are there. Each page contains. Each page contains 4 digits. So till how many papers are there? Now see. So these write on. These digits can be used for
75 more pages will be, sir.
yeah, beautiful. How? For numbering. How?
300 by 4.
Beautiful, excellent. 75 pages. Correct? Good. Therefore, means what? That is starting from what now? 1000 to from getting good. From 1000 to what the first base? 1000. Correct? Base 1000 to how much up to what? 1000 to 1074 means how many pages? 75 pages are there. Okay. Now, therefore, thus the book has how many pages? Anyone? Anyone? One zero 74 pages. So the book contains how many pages? 1074
1000.
74 pages. That is the meaning. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right on. Shall I?
1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So only logical thinking.
1 minute.
Yes.
Now this time I'm giving
Done.
variety questions. See, yeah. Consider the following multiplication. The following multiplication, write down immediately in decimal notations. Triple 9 into ABC. DEF 132. So determine A, B, C, D, E, F. That's the question. Means what here, dear students, see, triple 9 into ABC means what here? This is the 3-digit number, this one is 3-digit number. But what is this for right hand side? 6-digit numbers. Is it clear? Left hand side is what? Triple 9
Yes.
into ABC is equal to right hand side 6-digit number. They are asking what are the digits of A, B, C, D. Determine the digits here. Determine the digits A, B, C, D, E, F. How to solve? Okay. Right on. Since triple 9 into ABC is given, DEF 132. See carefully. This triple 9 means I can write 1000 minus 1 ABC. Okay, multiply them. 1000 ABC means you can say 1000 ABC means how much, anyone? That is, can you guess? ABC 000 is equal to DEF 132 plus this minus ABC transpose to this side. But 10 into 2 means how much? 20. No, you're writing like that, no? Like that here also. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see, DEF 132, next ABC, add them. We can get what is the answer? ABC 000. For what value of C? 2 plus C is coming 2 plus C is coming 0. Anyone?
-2.
Anyone? Right, minus 2 is not integer, yeah. Numbers, natural numbers. Digits means natural numbers. Anyone? 2 plus C is equal to 0. For what value of C is coming? Is it correct?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Tell me.
how is DEF 132 plus ABC equals to ABC 000?
Is the question, see, this value is how much? Is equal to what? Left hand side, see?
Yes. Yes, sir.
I'm writing this is can be written like this one symbolically. 8. So 2 plus 8 is how much is coming? 10. Still one balance is there here. So 3 plus B. Already how much? This 3
6.
plus. Yes, beautiful. Why? Because 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus B is equal to 0 means B must be what? Beautiful 6. Okay. If it is 6, again 1 is coming here.
A is equal to 8.
A is equal to 8.
8.
Yeah, that means ABC means what is the number? 868 000. Fine. Now come to the question. This one, see, 868 000 minus how much? Minus 868 is how much?
1.
That is DEF 132. Now see carefully. This one, see, 1000 into, I'm multiplying these numbers here. 1000 into ABC is how much? ABC 000. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Minus ABC is there. Minus ABC is there still. Minus ABC transpose to RHS.
Yes,
Plus
sir.
ABC.
Yeah.
DEF is equal to 867, sir.
Now see 17 when I'm writing. Is it okay? Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
this
sir.
one transpose this side. Sum of these two numbers, what is the answer? This is the answer, na? Sum of these
ABC
numbers,
000.
yes. I am writing like this one step by step.
Yes, sir.
For what
Yes,
value
yes.
of C? It is coming 0. C must be 8.
8.
But 8 plus 2, 10. 1 plus 3, 4.
Uh,
4 plus B is how much? 0.
6.
6.
B must be
6.
6.
B
Okay.
6.
So 2, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus A is 8.
A is
8.
8.
Now put this
Okay,
value in the
sir.
given equation, in this equation. Write down. Now from this case subtract, dear students. If I am subtracting this number, clear? What is the answer?
867132.
Wow, super. 867132. Now 132. What is the value of D now from this case? Anyone?
8.
8 is
6.
beautiful. F is
F is 7.
therefore give the conclusion. Good. That is the answer. So therefore the digits A, B, C, D, E, F are what? What is the A? Tell me. 8.
8.
8. What is the E?
6.
E6 is coming. Yeah. So D, next one D, D is how much?
8688
Next.
67.
Actually, right on. So once again, practice is required. This one. Now,
Yes, sir.
Kirti is clear now?
Clear, sir.
Okay. So once again, join the class. Okay, now it will be earning. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Practice is required. This one.